Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Nissan Navara ST dual cab ute, stock reference number 3849. The shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre full cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre full cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, colour coded, non-indicator type. Left front door has a fold on the rear edge, still may be usable. Left rear door has 2 small dents. It's got a factory fitted alloy sports bar with all bolts and brackets supplied. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tailgate has multiple dents, still may be usable. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, non-indicator type, colour coded. Right guard has 1 small dent. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch, central lock type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heater controls. Factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, rear headrests, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.